Let's turn this standard doorway into a beautiful arched opening using the Arch Friends kit. First, assemble your arch pieces. Use a small amount of glue to attach the pieces together, just enough to hold them. It's important that you check your fit before installing. Hold the arch up in place and make sure it matches your opening. You want a little room on each side for the joint compounds. Once everything looks good, it's time to install. Apply a generous amount of construction adhesive to the back of the arch. You want enough so that when you press it into place, the entire surface makes contact with the wall, especially the tips. Position the arch in place and center it in your doorway. Then use the painter's tape to secure it, wrapping it from the arch to the wall and sealing to hold it firmly while it dries. Let it sit overnight. Once dry, remove the tape and check that everything is secure. Now it's time for joint compound. Apply your first coat along all seams and across the surface of the arch. Make sure you use joint compound on every seam. This step is key to making sure your arches last and look seamless. Smooth everything out as much as possible now to make sanding easier later. After it dries, sand it down to remove any high or low spots. It doesn't have to be perfect yet, just a solid first pass. Clean off the dust and then apply another layer of joint compound where needed. Repeat this process till the arch is fully blended into the wall with a smooth and natural curve. Once you're happy with the finish, clean off all the dust and match your wall texture if needed. If you have the exact wall color, you can paint just beyond the arch and feather it in for a seamless look. If you're matching paint, you may need to blend out a bit further. Once everything is dry, step back and enjoy your brand new arched doorway. For more information or support, visit www.arch-friends.com.